If you're a fan of the TV show The Office, you might remember an episode when new CFO David Wallace, shown on the left, summons all the Dunder Mifflin branch managers to New York for a presentation. And while everyone was expecting the presentation to be about sales figures and other financial information, Michael Scott had a different idea. Instead, he presented the Faces of Scranton, a behind the scenes look at the people and personalities that makes his Dunder Mifflin family different and special. He makes the point that while they are in the paper business, they're also in the people business. And he goes on to introduce Pam, Dwight, Angela, and the rest of his Dunder Mifflin family. David and Michael's immediate boss Jan are perplexed. And while Michael's choice may not have been the best one for that situation, it did inspire the Faces of EPEW. My name is Steve Reifman. Please join my good friend Kate Cox and me on Monday, July 20th for a general session entitled EPEW, Then, Now, and Forever, where you'll see the rest of the slideshow and discover more about the people, ideas, traditions, and spirit that have made our workshop the special experience that so many of us have come to know and appreciate over the years. We hope to see you there.